But I must confess, this place ain't blessed. This place is a mess.
Disgusting.
But no, you don't deserve no guest.
No.
In here, I don't wanna lay down or rest.
Are you crazy?
That crack in the wall needs addressing. The state of the floor is just depressing.
Man.
This table's older than the pyramids.
Older?
At least it's younger than the mirror is. This place is small and it's barely a house. Never mind the cat, you couldn't even swing a mouse.
It's so small.
Those curtains are looking tired. Decorations are tired. Look, your style is fired. It's like somebody hit you with a bulldozer. But if your house was a car, it would get pulled over.
Excuse me, please.
This is very, 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 very unacceptable.
Bloco. Oh my God.
Silence the critics. IKEA, the wonderful everyday.
Fresh and clean. But